All right, everybody, we are on the top floor of the Center Street parking garage in Royal Oak, Michigan. And we got two elevators here. The first one in my previous video was broken, but that one over there is working. Before we get to it, get a nice view on this side too, because take a look. There are some railroad tracks over there, and there's someone from CN working on them. Actually, I think he's just taking care of the weeds. And there's a crossing over there. Anyway, we're gonna ride the elevator. We gotta walk over to it. And it's a very nice day here in downtown Royal Oak. It's 86 degrees outside right now. It's hot. Let me get another view real quick. That's a great view right there of the train tracks. There's another part of the parking deck. And there's an elevator over there too. All right, let's go take a ride in the elevator. It's a KONE with KSS 140 fixtures. And the top of the parking deck is actually closed. I think 6 is also closed as well. So that's why there are no cars up here. The elevator. It's up on 3 right now. So, let's call it. Here it is. Let's go down to the ground. Here's the certificate. Book to 7. The close one works after a certain amount of time. I wanted it on the ground, just because I prefer in my videos on